Are you tired of being told you have to show your face to make money online? Sick of the endless pressure to post daily, share your personal life, and build a brand just to get noticed? Does the thought of chasing algorithms and performing for strangers online make you want to log off for good? What if I told you you don't have to do any of that to succeed as an affiliate marketer? No dancing, no selfies, no personal brand hustle, just a quiet, proven system that builds your list and pays you without the burnout. If that sounds like the breath of fresh air you've been waiting for, you're in the right place. I get it because I've been exactly where you are right now. Tired, frustrated, overwhelmed, wondering if all this online business stuff is even worth it. I tried the advice everyone gives. Post every day, show your face, be vulnerable, share your story. And guess what? It left me feeling burned out with nothing to show for it. If you've ever felt invisible online, even while doing all the right things, you're not alone. That was me too, until I discovered a completely different way. Here's the truth about the old way of affiliate marketing. Show up every day, post content nonstop, be authentic on camera, chase every new platform. And if you're not doing all that, you're told you're not serious. But let's be honest, this isn't a strategy. It's a burnout plan. The more you try to stay visible, the more invisible your results feel. It's exhausting. It's unpredictable. And it's why so many good people quit. If you've been stuck in that cycle, you already know something has to change. There's a better way. A way to grow your list, earn commissions, and keep your sanity without being on all the time. It's called AI Faceless List Builder, a quiet, ethical, and repeatable system for building an affiliate business that actually lasts. No branding, no algorithms, no pressure to perform, just a clean, focused strategy that works quietly in the background while you live your life. This isn't theory. It's a real step-by-step system you can follow starting today. I built this system because I was burned out too. I'm not an influencer. I'm not a tech wizard. I'm just an affiliate marketer just like you. I started part-time with 0 followers, no personal brand, and no interest in being seen online. I tried all the advice the gurus gave, and it nearly made me quit. So I stripped away all the noise and focused on what actually works for faceless affiliate marketers. The result? A repeatable system that builds your list, earns commissions, and doesn't burn you out. And now, I want to hand it to you. So, what exactly is the AI Faceless List Builder? It's a clean, beginner-friendly system that shows you how to quietly build an email list that grows daily, a faceless funnel that converts, affiliate commissions without showing your face. You'll learn exactly how to set up your funnel, create your lead magnet, send emails and get clicks, drive traffic without being online all day. No fluff, no hype, no endless content grind, just a simple, repeatable system you can launch in days, not weeks or months, even if you're starting from scratch. Imagine waking up to new leads in your list without posting, dancing, or going live. Feel the relief of having a complete campaign, lead magnet, funnel, and emails ready to launch in days. Finally know exactly what to do next. No more tech overwhelm, no more second guessing. Replace content paralysis with calm, step-by-step prompts that guide you through every piece of your system. Promote offers quietly, consistently, and confidently without building a personal brand. Spend less time being online and more time actually earning commissions, all while staying completely faceless. Here's what you get inside the AI Faceless List Builder. AI-powered prompts that write your lead magnets, emails, and traffic posts in minutes. Funnel templates and over-the-shoulder walkthroughs that eliminate tech overwhelm. Traffic strategies that work without a brand, following, or your face. My personal custom email campaign AI bot, the exact one I use to get on affiliate leaderboards. Step-by-step roadmap that takes you from blank page to list building machine. And that's just the core system. You're also getting these powerful bonuses. The Faceless Funnel Foundations, what you need to know before you start. The Faceless Campaign Creator Bot, your done with you affiliate promotion system. AI Prompt Vault, 50 plus fill in the blank prompts for funnels, email, and traffic. 7-day Faceless Funnel Activation Checklist. Go live in a week or less. 30 days of faceless emails, pre-filled calendar, and plug-and-play templates. Everything you need to build, launch, and grow your faceless affiliate business all in one place. You get the entire AI Faceless List Builder system, plus all 5 bonuses, not for $197, not even $97. Your price today is just $17.97. And you're completely protected by my 30-day no questions asked guarantee. Try it for a full 30 days. If it's not right for you, I'll give you every cent back. No hoops, no guilt, no drama. The only risk is in not trying it. Click the button below to get instant access to the AI Faceless List Builder. Start building your faceless affiliate business today. Quietly, consistently, and without burnout. You'll get the full system, all 5 bonuses, and my 30-day money-back guarantee. But this offer is only available for a limited time. This is a limited time release, and if you wait, you risk missing the one chance that could change everything. The difference between staying stuck and finally moving forward could be this moment right now. Click the button below and let's get your faceless affiliate business live starting today. Worst case, you get your money back. Best case, you change your entire affiliate journey. Click the button below now. Your future self will thank you. Click the button below now and I'll see you on the inside.